Hi, I'm Anthony Berticelli, Director of Education at PSA, and I want to talk to you about hands-on learning, an art that we seem to have lost as we've become adults and got into our professional workforce. So think back to your time in school, whether it was elementary school, high school, or college. Even when you were sitting through lectures, were you just listening attentively or were you taking notes? Were you actively engaged in that event, in that classroom, and in that learning session, and how much more did you retain because of that? Think back to something as simple as driver's education. Would driver's ed have been as successful if they never let you get behind the wheel of a car? Or would Toastmasters be such a great program if they never practiced actually standing up and speaking? Could you imagine if the NFL players you watch on Sundays didn't practice 5 days a week for that one game? Why do we stop putting that into play just because we're in a professional environment, in our offices, in our field jobs, or at the events that we attend? So PSA this year, we're really focusing on hands-on learning, workshops, and multiple ways of engaging with a speaker or with an instructor through taking notes, actively touching and learning product, and different ways of how we do things in the educational realm. So what you'll see as we go through all of our events, whether it's convention or PSA Tech, education focused on leadership, project management, or down to those hardware essentials, is hands-on approach to learning. You can try this on your own before you even get there. Over lunch, I like to watch TED Talks. So plan a good 20 minutes to do 2 TED Talks. Sit down and watch one and do nothing but listen to the speaker. On the second one, I want you to take notes, actively engage, ask questions to yourself and write those down, and go back about 2 hours later and see which one you remember more about. We're going to put that into play here at PSA throughout the year, and I challenge you to do so as well. Focus on workshops, hands-on learning, and practice before you go out and do what you do for a job in the field.